Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into the legendary Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a car that has redefined American performance and supercar engineering. The ZR1 isn't just another Corvette, it's the ultimate expression of speed, power, and innovation, pushing the limits of what a sports car can achieve. The ZR1 name first appeared in the early 1970s as a high-performance package, but it truly gained legendary status with the C4 generation in 1990. With a Lotus-designed 5.7-litre stock V8 engine, it produced an astonishing 375 horsepower, making it one of the fastest American cars of its time. Each new ZR1 model since then has continued to raise the bar, delivering more power, better handling, and cutting-edge technology. The modern Corvette ZR1, especially in the C7 generation, takes things to another level. With a supercharged 6.2-litre LT5 V8 producing 755 horsepower, it dominates both the track and the streets. Aerodynamic enhancements, carbon fiber components, and advanced suspension make it a true competitor against European exotics. The ZR1 proves that American engineering can stand toe-to-toe with the world's best. Beyond performance, the ZR1 carries a unique identity, a perfect blend of muscle and sophistication. It's not just about raw speed, it's about precision, control, and delivering an unforgettable driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing car content. What's your favorite generation of the Corvette ZR1? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more legendary rides. See you in the next video.